Welcome to Millionaire's Club. I am Faraz. Dosto, are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of a way to make some extra money? Well, you are in luck because in this video, I am going to show you how to make money online. Making money online may seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it can be easy and even fun. The key is to find something that you are passionate about and turn that into a profitable business. One way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. For example, let's say you have a cooking blog and you recommend a new kitchen gadget. If someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys that gadget, you earn a percentage of the sale. This can be a great way to make money while sharing your passion for cooking with others. दूसरा तरीका पैसे बनाने का है by creating your own digital products. This could be an ebook, course, or even a podcast. You can sell these products on your own website or on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Udemy. This is a great way to leverage your expertise and turn it into a profitable business. One more way to make money online is through online tutoring or consulting. If you have a skill or expertise in a specific area, you can offer your services to others who need help. For example, if you are a science teacher, you can offer your services on Vedantu, Udemy or Chegg Study. This can be a great way to make money while doing something you love. Next popular way to make money online is through e-commerce. You can sell physical or digital products on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or your own website. With e-commerce, you have the potential to reach a global audience and sell products around the clock. This can be a great way to make money while having a flexible schedule. Next, if you are creative and enjoy making videos, you can make money on YouTube. Whether you are creating tutorials, blogs, or entertaining videos, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. This can be a fun way to make money while sharing your passions and creativity with the world. Lastly, if you want to make money online real fast, you must know how to use ChatGPT efficiently. If you would like me to create a video on it, drop your comments below and subscribe. In conclusion, making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategies, it can be a great way to earn extra income and turn your passions into a profitable business. The important thing is to take action, be persistent, and keep learning. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but once you get started, you'll be amazed at the opportunities that come your way. So, don't wait any longer. Start exploring your options and turn your dreams into reality.